In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Meta Business Manager invite. This process is quite straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to check your email. Look for an email from Meta or Facebook which contains the subject line relating to your Business Manager invite. It might land in your spam folder, so if you don't see it right away, be sure to check there too. Once you've located the email, open it and examine the contents for any specific details or instructions it might provide. Within this email, there should be a link labeled View Invitation. It's your gateway to accessing the invitation directly through Meta's interface. So go ahead and click on that link to be directed to the login page. Here, you'll have the flexibility to log in using your Facebook account, Instagram, or an email address, whichever you prefer. Make sure the account you're logging into is the one associated with the invite to avoid any hiccups. After logging in, there's a step where you'll be prompted to enter your first and last name. This might seem redundant, but it's just a formality to ensure that the account is correctly personalized and reflects accurate information. Next, you'll find a summary of the business information relevant to the invite, which you should review carefully. This part is crucial as it ensures you know what you're getting involved with. Once you've looked through the details and everything checks out, you can click on the Continue button. This step gives you one last chance to verify everything before proceeding. Now, you're almost there. The screen will display your name and email, confirming your identity as you proceed to review and accept the invitation. This transparency is vital, especially in business dealings, as it helps prevent potential misunderstandings or conflicts later on. Finally, to wrap things up, locate and click the Accept Invitation button. This action will officially add you to the Meta Business Manager, granting you the required access and permissions as specified in the invite. This last step seals the deal and integrates you fully with the business entity in question. And there you have it. You've successfully accepted a Meta Business Manager invite. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.